Have you ever wondered how the world's most luxurious watches are created? Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Audemars Piguet, a renowned Swiss watchmaker known for their exceptional craftsmanship and timeless designs. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of their manufacturing process, revealing the meticulous steps involved in creating these horological masterpieces. Get ready to be mesmerized as we uncover the secrets behind the creation of an Audemars Piguet watch. Audemars Piguet, founded in 1875, boasts a legacy steeped in horological excellence. With over a century of craftsmanship, the brand has cemented its position as one of the most prestigious watchmakers in the world. Each timepiece they create is a testament to their unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. From their humble beginnings in the Vallée de Joux, Switzerland, Audemars Piguet has grown into an industry icon, revered for their meticulous attention to detail and timeless designs. Despite technological advancements, Audemars Piguet remains faithful to traditional watchmaking techniques passed down through generations. Their dedication to preserving these time-honored methods ensures that each watch carries the essence of Swiss horological heritage. From hand-finishing intricate movements to delicately hand-engraved dials, Audemars Piguet artisans embody the spirit of craftsmanship that has defined the brand for decades. Accompanying our exploration of Audemars Piguet's legacy and heritage are breathtaking visuals of their iconic timepieces. From the elegant Royal Oak collection to the sophisticated Royal Oak offshore and the exquisite Royal Oak concept, these watches epitomize the brand's fusion of artistry and technical mastery. Get ready to be captivated by the sheer beauty and craftsmanship displayed in each Audemars Piguet creation. Audemars Piguet's watch designs are born from a fusion of visionary creativity and technical expertise. Their design process begins with an inspiration, whether it's nature, architecture, or a historical event. Talented designers translate these influences into sketches, combining aesthetics with functionality. The brand's commitment to pushing boundaries and challenging conventions results in truly innovative designs that stand the test of time. Audemars Piguet is renowned for its pioneering spirit and relentless pursuit of innovation. They constantly push the boundaries of what's possible in watchmaking, incorporating cutting-edge materials, intricate complications, and avant-garde aesthetics. By embracing new technologies and collaborating with experts from various fields, Audemars Piguet continues to revolutionize the industry, setting new benchmarks for craftsmanship and design. At Audemars Piguet, the synergy between designers and master watchmakers is crucial. The designer's vision and concepts are meticulously translated into technical specifications by the skilled watchmakers. This collaborative process ensures that every design detail, from the movement to the case and dial, is seamlessly integrated, resulting in harmonious timepieces that embody the brand's signature style. Precision engineering lies at the heart of Audemars Piguet's watchmaking process. Every component is crafted with meticulous attention to detail to ensure optimal functionality and accuracy. The precise measurement of tolerances and the use of high-quality materials are vital in achieving exceptional timekeeping performance. The marriage of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology allows Audemars Piguet to create timepieces that not only captivate aesthetically, but also operate with unrivaled precision. Audemars Piguet takes pride in its vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities. With complete control over the production process, from designing to final assembly, they uphold the highest standards of quality. The brand's state-of-the-art facilities house skilled artisans and cutting-edge machinery, enabling them to create components and movements entirely in-house. This level of control ensures that every Audemars Piguet watch reflects the brand's uncompromising commitment to excellence. An Audemars Piguet watch is a symphony of intricate components and movements. From the finely crafted balance wheel to the precisely chamfered bridges, each element is a testament to the brand's dedication to craftsmanship. The movements, meticulously assembled by master watchmakers, showcase complex complications such as chronographs, perpetual calendars, and tourbillons. These horological marvels are built with painstaking precision, allowing for smooth operation and accurate timekeeping. Audemars Piguet's unwavering attention to detail ensures that every component functions harmoniously, resulting in watches that not only tell time but also embody the artistry of mechanical engineering. Step into the world of Audemars Piguet's workshop, where master watchmakers breathe life into their timepieces. Here, meticulous craftsmanship is the guiding principle. Surrounded by an array of tools and magnifying glasses, these skilled artisans embark on a journey of precision and dedication. With steady hands and unwavering focus, they meticulously assemble each component, ensuring every piece fits together flawlessly. The workshop is an oasis of creativity and expertise, where time seems to stand still as the watchmakers pour their passion into every watch they touch. The art of assembling an Audemars Piguet watch is a labor of love. From the delicate positioning of gears to the intricate alignment of hands, every movement is a testament to the watchmaker's artistry. Each component is carefully inspected, adjusted, and fitted with utmost precision. The watchmaker's experienced eyes and skilled hands ensure that every detail is executed flawlessly, guaranteeing the timepiece's performance and longevity. Their dedication to perfection is evident in the seamless integration of each part, creating a harmonious symphony of mechanical excellence. Behind each Audemars Piguet watch, there are captivating stories of master watchmakers who devote their lives to their craft. These artisans, with years of experience, embody a unique blend of technical expertise and artistic sensibility. Their unwavering commitment to perfection and relentless pursuit of excellence are the driving forces behind the exceptional quality of Audemars Piguet timepieces. Audemars Piguet's commitment to uncompromising quality is reflected in their rigorous quality control measures. Each watch undergoes a series of meticulous inspections at various stages of production. Expert technicians meticulously scrutinize every component, ensuring precision, durability, and aesthetic perfection. Stringent standards are applied to materials, movements, and finishing, guaranteeing that only the finest watches reach the hands of discerning customers. This unwavering dedication to quality control is a testament to Audemars Piguet's commitment to upholding their reputation as a pinnacle of Swiss watchmaking excellence. Audemars Piguet subjects their watches to a battery of tests to ensure accuracy and durability. Timekeeping precision is verified through rigorous chronometric tests, where watches are assessed for their accuracy in various positions and conditions. The watches are also subjected to stringent shock resistance and water resistance tests to ensure their resilience in real-world scenarios. Additionally, endurance tests simulate years of wear, evaluating the long-term reliability and performance of the timepieces. These tests encompass temperature variations, magnetic fields, and pressure changes. Only after successfully passing these rigorous assessments are the watches deemed ready for the wrists of discerning watch enthusiasts. At Audemars Piguet, craftsmanship is not just a word, it is a way of life. Their unwavering commitment to delivering the highest level of craftsmanship is evident in every aspect of their watches. From the initial design conception to the final quality control checks, Audemars Piguet ensures that each timepiece embodies the pinnacle of horological artistry and engineering excellence. Throughout this journey into the world of Audemars Piguet, we've delved into their rich legacy and heritage, witnessed the creative process behind their designs, marveled at the precision engineering of their timepieces, and experienced the craftsmanship of their master watchmakers. We've seen how Audemars Piguet preserves traditional techniques while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Their commitment to quality control and testing ensures that every watch meets the highest standards of accuracy and durability. Each Audemars Piguet timepiece is a testament to their unwavering dedication to excellence and their position as a pinnacle of Swiss watchmaking. As you reflect on the intricate process of creating an Audemars Piguet watch, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into each masterpiece. From the skilled hands of the watchmakers to the precision engineering and meticulous quality control, these timepieces embody the pinnacle of horological excellence. Now, as you gaze upon an Audemars Piguet watch, remember that beyond the gears and hands lies a timeless beauty, meticulously crafted to stand the test of time.